Welcome to another episode of WGT Financial, and today the question is, what is life insurance? Let's talk about it and let's dive straight into it. Now, the definition of what is life insurance given from Google is simply this. Life insurance is a contract between a policyholder and an insurance company that provides money to the beneficiaries when the policyholder dies. The purpose of life insurance is to help provide financial security to loved ones after the policyholder passes away. Now, there is absolute truth to it, but today my whole purpose is to maybe let you see a different perception and a different value that life insurance brings that many of us are not aware of. So my definition of life insurance is simply this: income replacement. Because life insurance comes with what we call living benefits, and of course, if somebody were to pass away, the money is given to the beneficiary from the life insurance policy, correct? But at the end of the day, what are we insuring? Ourselves. Why? Because we provide income to a household, or we want to make sure that there is some money left so that people can bury us and not leave any debts behind. So at the end of the day, we're replacing some type of income. So I'll share a brief story with you guys. One of my good friends, and the reason why me and my wife got into the life insurance industry, his father worked construction for decades. But working in the construction industry, we all know that you're exposed to very hazardous materials, asbestos, you name it, it's there. So the story goes like this. He brought his daughter with him to the hospital because he was feeling very bad. He went and got some tests done, but they didn't have nobody to translate. So his daughter went with him to go translate for him. So the doctor walks in, unfortunately gives him bad news, says, hey, your father has been diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. We are giving him 3 to 4 months to live. I'm sorry, I'll give you some time and some privacy. I'll be outside. Now, his daughter has to turn around and tell her father that the man that saw her take her first breath, she has to tell him that in 3 to 4 months, he's gonna take his last breath. So guys, when they got home, the news didn't go so well. Why? Because he was a sole income provider for that household. And guess what happened? Everybody that could get a job had to go get a job, right? They got 2-3 jobs. They started bringing in income to the household. There was some months where they made it. There were some other months where they fell behind in payments. But there was one recurring bill that kept on coming and coming until they finally looked at it. And when they called the company, they found out that it was a life insurance bill. So, their premium got to be paid. To their surprise, because their father was not a believer in life insurance, and he was such a non-believer in life insurance that he didn't even remember that he had a life insurance policy. But the company told him, hey, you guys have living benefits. What living benefits allowed him to do was to access up to 50%, half of his policy, while he was living, because he had a terminal illness. So because of that terminal illness, he was able to access his policy in life, tax-free and income-free. So that money was used not only to get back up to speed with the bills, actually have a little cushion of savings account, and give him access to better treatment while he was going through his cancer treatment. So guys, what did it do at the end of the day? It helped replace his income. So God gave him 7 more beautiful years to spend with his family. Unfortunately, he ended up passing away and moving on to a better life. What happened with the rest of the money? The rest of the money got paid out to the beneficiary, which was his wife. So his wife receives a check, once again, tax-free, income-free. Like, she didn't have to report income on it. And that money was once again used to what? Help replace his income. So yes, you can transfer wealth with life insurance. You can build up a savings account with life insurance. You can build up college accounts with life insurance. There's plenty of things that you can do with life insurance. But at the end of the day, what life insurance truly is and brings to a family and to a person is income replacement. So guys, I hope that you liked the video. I hope this brought you some value, let you see a different perception of the true power that life insurance can truly bring to yourself, to your family, to your loved ones, and to your legacy. With that said, like, comment down below if you liked the video, tag somebody with it. And guys, we will see you on the next one.